Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Smartwatch QR codes. A QR code, or quick response code, is a two-dimensional barcode readable by a device like your smartwatch camera. These handy codes hold diverse information, from website addresses to digital tickets or contact details. Using them effectively unlocks new levels of convenience and functionality directly from your wrist. We will cover both scanning and displaying these codes, making everyday tasks much simpler. Scanning a QR code with your smartwatch is straightforward. First, activate your watch's camera function or open a dedicated QR code scanning application. Then, simply hold your wrist steady, positioning the QR code clearly within the watch's display frame. The smartwatch will automatically detect the code and usually present a prompt, perhaps to open a web link, save contact information, or confirm a payment. This process typically takes only a few seconds to complete successfully. Your smartwatch can also display QR codes for others to scan, offering incredible utility. Navigate to relevant applications, such as a mobile wallet or a digital ticketing app, where your specific QR code is generated. Think of boarding passes, concert tickets, or loyalty program memberships, all conveniently on your wrist. When displaying, make sure your watch screen brightness is set high enough, perhaps to 100%, ensuring the code is easily scannable by another device. This feature streamlines many daily interactions. For the best QR code experience, remember a few key tips. Always keep your smartwatch's operating system and applications fully updated. This ensures maximum compatibility and performance. Additionally, regularly clean your watch screen to remove any smudges or dirt that could obstruct a clear scan. Finally, pay attention to ambient lighting conditions. If it's too dark or too bright, the QR code might be challenging for your watch or another device to read accurately. Following these steps will help you use QR codes seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.